Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams. It is Friday, May 16th. We're at Salesforce in San Francisco, where we are de-installing the iconic Waterfall wall. We're here in the lobby. We have our lifts, and we're going to start to de-install this entire wall. Just get them all in here, and then we'll start laying them flat. We're basically supposed to be driving the lifts across these. Ooh, you can moonwalk with these things on. Boy. We're gonna try to take the modules off and then take the whole cabinets off. I don't wanna leave anything to chance. I don't wanna leave them dangling, pull them all the way off or cut them off. I don't want them to fall and bust the floor.
Hey, buddy.
Hold on.
Home Depot better be paying for this episode. Another sponsor not sponsored by, but we just shout them out till they pay us. We're gonna build these boxes, put all of the LED into these boxes, then they're gonna come back and they're gonna e-waste it. So this guy's from the e-waste company. Said, watch how he makes this box, because we gotta build 20 more of them.
Flip open that one, flip open this one, flip open that one, set it up, boom.
Taking down an LED wall here at the Salesforce building on Fremont Street. We got just about the whole crew here. We ready to take this thing down. We got 1,800 square feet of LED wall. It's gonna be late when we get done. We'll be here 2 days. Ready for that action, you know what I'm saying? Always ready for the action.
We have 20 bucks. I think we fit 7. That means we can only fit 140 of these cabinets in the boxes that we currently have. So we're gonna have to stack them without boxes when we run out. The fiber optic cable, this is yellow, single mode. You could tell this was manufactured in 2017. This is just a fiber patch cable. Below here is like a real fiber distribution. These are coming off that distribution up to here. These are gonna get ruined because they're exposed and it's gonna be so dusty. We're gonna end up replacing all these little patch cables. I want to make sure they didn't cut the main fiber feed coming from the basement up to here. The new wall, they're not gonna have fiber patch cables anymore. They're gonna have one fiber in switch at the bottom. And we're gonna re-cable all new Cat 6 to this whole wall.
Just work, 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 you know? The Digital Dreams way, you know what I'm saying? You be a
No, you took the best one.
Everybody's got a ton of pizza in them, candy, and more caffeine. And now we got a pretty good method of packing these boxes to get more of them in there. And we got a pretty good path going on right here from A to B. Now we just found out that we have to take these heavy metal brackets off. So we'll definitely not get to that till tomorrow. Basically these all the way up, which weigh a ton. They'll be easy to take off, they just weigh a lot. We'll get all the rest of the cabinets off tomorrow, then we'll take the face of these off.
We can go all night.
If we climb up though, we can take off the shorties in the middle. All right, that's it, end of night 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 pallets left out of 20. Tomorrow we still have to take down all the steel. We're going around sweeping up, cleaning up, getting ready. Some guys are gonna Uber over to the hotel. Some of us are gonna walk back to the hotel. We're leaving our vans overnight here because our vans are too big to park at the hotel where we're at. Plus it's free parking here tonight. So that's good, so we're out. We'll be back tomorrow morning to finish up.